morning. Today we're at a property just outside Workington, really nice property, and let's see, this is where we are, and it's actually been painted except for the two gable ends, and that's what we've got to do today. So I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is one of the gable ends, as you can see, really heavily stained. Yep, a lot going on there. And then we've got another gable end, which I think is actually worse than that one. So this has been painted. You can see it's actually starting to show staining coming through the paint, but we're not doing this one today. But got this to do. And this is really heavily contaminated. So a lot of mould on there, a lot of algae at the bottom. Really quite bad, and you definitely can't paint over the top of that. So we'll put two treatments on here and we'll hot wash it, and we'll then leave a biocide on. So let's see how we get on with this one. So we've just finished this property now, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this was very bad, this gable end. As you can see, even the window bottoms we clean up, and so as I said, we put 2 treatments on here, and then we've left the biocide on as well, so any remaining spores will clear. I mean, I can't actually see any down here. There might be some up near the top, but and then here there's a little bit of runoff from the lead, and then at the very top there's a mark there, but I think that's actually carbon from the chimney that's used. But, you can see it's really brightened it up, and I'll show you the contrast of the before as well. So that's this gable end, and the other gable end, we've only just finished the other gable end, so and this is where they painted it. Actually, we've not treated this, but they painted it. You can see it's not coming through, so this is drying all the time, and as I say, the biocide treatment should clear any marks on here. And as we've said to the customer, if there's any marks that remain or there's anything they're not happy with, then we'll always come back. It's not an issue. At the end of the day, we want them to be happy. And this chap actually owns a business. He's got a warehouse that he now wants us to go and have a look at, and give him a quote to clean that as well. So overall, very pleased with that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.